Welcome guys to a day in the life with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Today we are in Busan, South Korea, and I'm just going to be taking you guys with me on a journey with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 today. So we're going to be testing out the battery life, the camera quality, and a little bit of other stuff like Google Translate, because a lot of stuff here is in Korean. But yeah, so what other place to do a day in the life video other than Korea, the home of Samsung, for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So we just finished up at the gym, and right now my wife is looking up places to go eat. Yeah, so we had this rice burger the other day from this place called Oteria, and it's like a direct competitor to McDonald's here apparently. Just look at all of that screen listed we get with the Z Fold 4. And what's the battery life at? The battery life is at 82%, and we're using Korea's network. What's it called? Korea Trade? KT.
It's called KT.
KT network. So we're using the KT network, but it only gives us LTE speeds. And if you guys are wondering, the skin I'm using right now is the Spigen Air Skin case. It's not really a protective case, but it does give the phone a little bit of grip, which I really like. And there's a little bit of protection on the front. But if you do drop this, the phone will break, since there is no hinge protection or anything like that.
Whoa, Samsung phone, Samsung watch.
Oh, yeah, and my wife is like a really big Samsung lover, so she's using the Galaxy Watch 5 along with the Z Fold 4, which is my phone. So home of Samsung, Galaxy Watch 5, and Z Fold 4. Should be an interesting day. Let's go. The weather here is like all over the place. It's super erratic. The other day was so cold that I had to go to Uniqlo and buy a jacket. And today it's like 21 degrees Celsius. As you guys can see right there, it's 21 degrees Celsius. But it is rather windy here. It's always so windy. I don't know why. So instead of taking the subway, we decided to just walk to Loteria.
No, we're going to take the subway.
Oh, we're taking the subway?
Because you won't be able to walk for the whole day if we start walking now.
Well, yeah, that's because we've been walking like 25,000 steps over the past 3 days. And I'm like super exhausted. My entire body's shot.
I prefer to do 30.
My wife says that she can do 30, but she falls asleep in like 1 second. We go to bed and she's just like knocked out in 1 second. I'm like, hello, are you still awake? She's like, no, I'm knocked out.
Whoa, there's a breakfast place over here.
The Coffee Bean? Okay, so we just came across a breakfast place over here called the Coffee Bean. Sounds good, let's try it, yeah.
Let's change it up.
Okay, so we decided to change it up and go to, what's it called?
It's called Coffee Bean.
Coffee Bean. This is like the breakfast menu here. Probably got like a bagel and a coffee. But let's see on the inside. Wow, it's like super nice. Like a kiosk.
A kiosk. It's not just the McDonald's.
Like a self-serve kiosk.
Yeah, they have self-serve kiosks everywhere, which is crazy. And so much easier because you have the option of switching the language to English for all of them.
I'll probably get the egg and ham cheese bagel. I'm just using Google Translate to translate Korean to English, because for some reason the machine just switched up on us from English and went back to Korean. But my Korean is getting better. My wife is not so good at Korean.
Wait, I thought my Korean's so bad. I'm the one that can read and speak. You can.
You take 20 minutes to read.
I know, it just takes it.
So we messed up on the machine and we ordered the bagels twice. So we got 2 bagels, 2 French toast, and 2 of something else. And look at the interior of this place, so nice. While I was waiting for the food to arrive, I was just on my phone casually scrolling through social media as well as checking up on my work email. Versatility is a true strength of the Z Fold 4. Just by having access to that 7.4-inch OLED display, it makes everyday tasks such as reading and replying to emails all the more enjoyable. I'm telling you guys, if you're ever in Korea, make sure you do hit up Coffee Bean. Such basic breakfast sandwiches for some reason just tasted so good. After eating breakfast, we got off the subway and made our way to Gamcheon village. This is supposed to be a very colorful village on top of a massive hill. And as you guys can imagine, me being out of shape and overweight, I was not cut out for this excruciating walk uphill. This is crazy uphill. Holy. That's amazing. I hate you. I hate you. This is why everyone in Korea is so fit. Like, they walk up this hill, this insanely steep hill, every day, 45 minutes. just to get to their homes. This has to be the steepest hill I've ever gone up across. I'm saying, I'm out of shape for this.
Oh, that was obvious.
Alright, so we finally made it up to the top of the hill. It was like a 20-minute walk straight uphill. Like, I've been to San Francisco before, and this does not compare. But yeah, check out this view, okay? Check out this view. Look at that. It's like a very colorful village. Look at that view.
Have a nice day.
Take care. Alright, so apparently this is not even the top. We just made it to like the base of the bottom of the hill. Still a lot more to go. Wow. Look at that.
Or you can take a picture of the village, the sign.
Where is it? $30 in. Oh, this. It looks like everybody came here by bus except for us. We literally just walked up the entire mountain. But now it's time for a drink.
Thank you.
안녕하세요.
네, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Very hot. We actually climbed the mountain. No bus. No bus walk. All the Koreans here think that we're crazy because we climb up the mountain instead of taking the bus. And everyone else took the bus. So you can pick any of these pieces of jewelry and they'll translate your name into a Korean name and engrave it onto the ring or bracelet. And my wife is super excited now. So she wants to get like a ring with her Korean name on it. While we were waiting for my wife's ring to be engraved, I took a break and sat down to watch Siobhan's latest video. And being able to scroll through the comment section while watching a YouTube video made the viewing experience much more interactive and more enjoyable. So this right now is being shot on the selfie camera of the cover screen. So we're
We gotta give an update about the ring.
Oh yeah, forgot to give you guys an update about the ring. My wife went back and she got my name engraved in Korean. So now she has her name and my name engraved, both in Korean on the front and the back of the ring. Oh, it's so cool.
What sauce do you have?
Barbecue sauce. Sweet spice.
Spicy? Yeah.
Spice?
They're very spicy.
얼마예요?
5,000원입니다. 5,000원.
네. You want one?
Yeah, spicy.
Yeah, spicy.
Spice?
네.
Getting some orange juice now, freshly squeezed. It's still very hot today. Oh, look at that. Freshly squeezed orange juice in a cup.
Oh wow. Does it know when to stop?
Yeah, that was
Oh, it's
automatic.
perfect. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Alright, so we're making our way back down the mountain. I just want to give you guys a quick update on the battery life right now. We're at 63%. We took a lot of video, a lot of photos. I just showed you guys the versatility of the cameras on this phone. So a lot of zoom shots, a lot of ultra wide shots, and a lot of recording with the front facing camera. So yeah, overall I feel like the camera quality on the Z Fold 4 is actually really underrated. Exploring Gamshan village was an incredible experience. Once again, the versatility of the Z Fold 4 really stood out to me. Being able to scroll through TikTok on the left while reading the comments on the right, it just takes the social media experience to another level. It's because we already walked like 10,000 steps and it's only 3 o'clock.
This was 128 meters. That was 320.
And we've been walking like 30,000 steps the past 4 days. I'm exhausted.
Lena,
It's a good thing we're gonna go back to the hotel and get a
massage.
massage. A massage sounds so good right about now.
Aroma oil massage.
Oil massage.
Yeah, you can dry massage.
Dry.
Alright, so we're back at the hotel right now. It's currently 3:30 p.m. We have a foot massage booked for 4:40 p.m. And right now I want to give you guys a quick update. The Z Fold 4 is at 44%. and which is not too bad considering that I was using a lot of GPS, taking a lot of pictures and some videos. I'm just gonna finish up this video. I have about 9 minutes left, and then I'm gonna charge the phone. It's only 3:30 p.m. and I do want to charge it because we do have a long day ahead of us, and I don't want to get like trapped on a subway or a bus without a phone just to navigate. And then we'll head back out after a massage and explore the rest of Busan, South Korea. It's time for a 1 hour foot massage. We still got like 4 more days left on our trip, so hopefully this helps push us through the next 4 days, because my feet, the bottom of my feet like are on fire. Like I just cannot walk anymore.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah. Speaking for myself, obviously, because my wife is like Iron Man over here.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play.
This is actually one of the craziest experiences ever. Like a bunch of fish are just eating away at my dead skin cells. It just feels so weird. Like I can't even explain it. It just feels so weird.
You shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be.
So this is actually kind of crazy. Like every staircase you take, it shows you how many calories you're burning. So
And then it tells you how many steps.
3.5, 3.9. Alright, so the time is right now 7:10 p.m. We're finally getting some dinner. I'm starving, my wife is starving. We ended up at a place called Mom's Touch. It's a burger and fried chicken place. And we got it's a franchise here in Korea. So we decided to try that. Like, to be quite honest, the crease really doesn't bother me. I can't even see it on this phone right now. If you're looking at the Galaxy Z Fold 4 head on, you're not gonna notice the crease at all. So
I noticed it.
you don't notice it. Can you notice it?
Yeah?
Where?
With the glare, I can see it.
What about head on?
It's head on.
Without a glare, do you see it? First time trying Mom's Touch Korean fried chicken. This is the spicy version. Look at that. Oh wow, that's so good. I also got a chicken burger. Let's see what the chicken burger tastes like. How do you open this? It's like a chicken burger with like some potatoes in it, like fried potatoes. First taste test. What are you laughing? Wow. It's a really good burger. Like, I haven't had one bad thing here. And all the food's been so good.
It's scary though.
It's crazy, right? I never traveled to a country and had like good food every single time. Got thirsty after eating, so dropped by this GS25. It's like a convenience store.
What kind of drink do you want?
And you just get like a cup of ice and you mix it with any of these packages.
Do you want iced hazelnut, peach cafe latte, you want hazelnut latte?
Hazelnut latte, please. Oh, that's so cool. It comes in those packages and just pour it in and drink it.
Yeah.
Instant iced coffee.
Hazelnut latte, actually.
Instant hazelnut latte.
Iced.
Iced hazelnut latte. Instant.
Alright, ready for your first sip? Or as you call it, the taste test?
Taste test. Wow. I'm done. It's actually so good. Honestly, after using the Z Fold 4's camera all day long, I can quite confidently say that the cameras are vastly underrated. The Fold 4 is capable of taking some stunning images, and being able to view these pictures on a 7.4-inch OLED display makes me want to take more and more pictures each and every single day. Just take a look at how amazing these pictures turned out. Just want to give you guys a quick update on the battery life. We're at 58%, and when we left the hotel today, around maybe I'd like to say 4 o'clock, it was at 77%. And I was hotspotting my wife all this time, so even with that, we were still at 58%. So this footage that you're watching right now is being shot on the rear-facing camera of the Z Fold 4. And I can see myself perfectly in the cover screen because I'm using the cover screen as a viewfinder. So this is just one of the versatilities of the Z Fold 4. Such a versatile device. Stopping by at another GS25 because my wife wants a hot drink. So this is a, what is it? Latte?
Matcha latte.
Matcha latte?
But I thought it was just like a green tea.
That's not a green tea though, right? It's a matcha.
I screwed up. It tastes a bit warm. Hope it's not too sweet. You know how I do with sugar?
Alright, so we're back in the hotel. I'm probably going to conclude this video right here. The time right now is 9:36 p.m. Battery life is at 50%. We did charge it around 4 o'clock to run 77%. And I was hotspotting my wife all the way through, so 50% is actually not too bad. I do feel like we could have got away without charging the phone, but I just didn't want to take that risk since we're in a foreign country. So if my phone died, then I would have been completely screwed, so I don't want to take that risk. But yeah, overall I feel like the Z Fold 4 is a terrific option if you're in the market for a versatile device that as you guys saw for yourself is like a very two-way functional phone. So you can use it just like this with one hand, no problem. But if you do want that bigger screen real estate, just open it up and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's sort of like a travel vlog / Z Fold 4 video. But yeah, hope you guys got to experience Korea with me and my wife. And thanks for coming along. Make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. We're trying to get to at least 1,000 likes. Peace.